Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, so I shared with you an outgoing swap that I participated in, and this is my return swap for my partner. Her name is Deanna, and this is her swap back to me. So all I did was break it free. I lifted the lid and that's all I've done. So we are going to see what this is together, and I'm dying to see it because I've seen her work. She does beautiful work. So look at this card, guys. Oh my gosh, isn't that beautiful? Happy Galentine's Day. She used some lace trim on the side. She embossed the front panel. She used some lace on this other side. She used appliques throughout the card, and then she embossed both hearts, the bottom layer and the top layer. And she used some flowers. She stickled this one. It's just beautiful, guys. This is a beautiful card. So I'm sure it's got okay, so it's not like personal. It says, "Hi Anna, thank you for being my swap partner. I hope you like what I've created for you. Happy Valentine's Day." Her Instagram is Handmade by Deanna Marie, and YouTube is Handmade by Deanna Marie. So I didn't know she had a YouTube channel, so I'm gonna go and look her up, and I am going to subscribe to her channel, as because I'm sure she does some. I'm sure her work is beautiful, just judging by this, guys. This is so pretty. Look at this tissue. That is so pretty. And she's got some sequins mix scattered, and man, that's so pretty. And she's got a felt heart here holding the tissue together. And I don't want to tear it because it is so pretty. I may just be able to use it for something. So I had it tore a little bit, of course, but us crafters, we try to reuse everything. So there is that. And look at all this mix just falling out of the box here. I don't want to lose any of it because it's so pretty. So okay, so here we go, guys. Oh my gosh, isn't that shabby-licious? Okay, so I'm just going to take things out as they come forward, and I will tell you what was required and what wasn't. So this was an extra. This was not required. These are some felt stickers. Oh, all right. Yeah, just like this one right here, guys. It looks like. So she included that. Thank you, Deanna. We can always use that. It doesn't even have to be just for Valentine's. And this, let me see what this is. This is a heart. It looks like, oh, it's a candy box, an altered candy box. How pretty. Oh, that's pretty. She's got this beautiful applique. Well, it looks like she covered it with some really pretty paper. That's a pretty background paper. And then she put this really pretty trim on there. It looks like some bling right there. She used an applique for right here, and then the two birds right there. So cute. And this is the back. She covered the back as well. Trim, and then an applique. How pretty is that? Okay, well, let's see what's in here. Oh, she's taped it. Okay, I don't want to destroy anything. She has taped it so it doesn't pop open, which is good. Okay, this looks like it's on the bottom layer. Okay, so let's open it up and see what is in here. And oh, look at that. It's even got a little, she cut a piece of acetate to keep everything in place. How cute. What a great idea. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that is a great idea. I didn't get any. I got candy, I just didn't get it in a heart form this year. This is such a good idea. I'm gonna make sure and keep it intact so I can reuse this. So she has included some little crocheted flowers here. Those are so adorable. Oh, so shabby. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. And then some clothespins, white clothespins right here. And then she's got some silk flowers, silk ribbon flowers. Very pretty. And look at this. How cute is this? That is cute. That's a big old bead. How pretty. Very pretty. Thank you, Deanna. And then this bling piece right here. That one's gorgeous as well. Can't wait to use that. And then this great big resin bow. Pretty. Oh my gosh. I love them. I love everything in here. Thank you, Deanna. What a great idea on the box. What a great idea. I've never done that and I've never thought of it. Great idea. Thank you, Deanna. Appreciate that. So that was inside the candy box. And then look, she even scattered the wooden hearts in the box. How cute. She used the wooden hearts as a scatter. Oh man, thank you. I didn't get any of those this year. So let's open this little bag, which is next, and that is an organza bag. Oh, yummy. We've got candy in here. Cookies and cream hearts. And then on the front, how pretty is this bag, guys? Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Look at that beautiful heart applique with the flower in the center, the silk flower. And it looks like she glued some lace fabric on the back. How pretty. Actually, that could be a really thick lace. And then she glued this one at the bottom as well. How pretty. Just love that. Very, very pretty. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Oh, I will reuse that for sure, and the chocolates will be gone soon. Thank you so much. And then I am going to grab this one next. This is like a glassine bag. So pretty that she has altered as well. She puts this beautiful fabric on the front. And then this beautiful layered heart, and it's got a really pretty background, but she has also embossed those hearts. How pretty. And then she put a little applique piece right in the center, and then the rose. How pretty. So inside of this beautiful bag, she has included beautiful applique, sequin applique. That is so pretty. Love that. Thank you, Deanna. Look at this, guys. You know I love my crocheted appliques and pieces. Oh, I love that. I wonder if she made this. Deanna, you'll have to let me know if you made this. This is beautiful. I love the color and everything. Beautiful pieces. Love them. Thank you. And then she has wrapped this right here in this beautiful pink applique. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to look for something special to put this on. How pretty is this? That is beautiful. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Love it. Oh my gosh, thank you. Now I feel like I didn't do enough for you. And then she's got this beautiful trim, and she's got a lot of it, guys. I don't know how much this is, but it is a lot. Look at that. I'm willing to bet it's a couple yards at least. And it's got this beautiful rose right there. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. I love that. Oh man, I think I know where I'm going to use this. Beautiful. Love it. And then she sent me some hearts that are they are embossed, and that just looks so beautiful. I love that embossing folder. And then here's a smaller one. How pretty are those? I just love those. Thank you. Oh my gosh, that's what was in this little bag. I'm gonna put it back in the bag, guys. So those were the contents of this gorgeous little bag. And then what is this? Oh my gosh, how cute. Look at that. She sent her trim. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, hang on. So that must be one of her trims. Look at this trim that she sent me. She altered this cute little spool, and then she tied some little beads right there at the end on a garment pin, and that is the trim that she included. She put this gorgeous little handle on there. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. This is good for just to display. How pretty. What a great idea. How inspirational is that, guys? That is gorgeous. Thank you, Deanna. And then in this one, it's got this pieces of trim, and then she's got this beautiful applique flower on the top, and then she's put some buttons inside. Oh, look, it's got some trim around the edge as well, and then she put red and pink buttons in there. How's that? Beautiful. I love those. Oh my gosh, thank you, Deanna. I'm at awe, girl. Oh my gosh. And here, oh my goodness. Oh, I wonder if that was supposed to come off, or that was I don't know. I don't think, it doesn't look like it was glued on there. I think it was just meant to be part of the scatter that she put in there. But look at that. How beautiful is that? Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. I wonder if she made this. This is so pretty. Look at that. Crocheted applique at the bottom. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. I love it. Gorgeous. Thank you. And then this bag, judging by everything, I'm willing to bet she made the bag. And look at this crocheted piece that is hand stitched. It is hand stitched, guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. So in here we have, oh my gosh, that is just beautiful. That gorgeous little bag. And in here she's got the swap that we were supposed to make, and these are her 3 trims on this gorgeous card. She's got this vintage lace on the top. She's got a dangle here. Look at that dangle. How, oh look, dangle has a little crown. Love. It's got a heart bead, crystal. Look at these beads, how pretty. Oh, I like this one. That one's clear. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Wow, Deanna, you did great. I love that. And here are her 3 trims. She's got a white flowered one, and this gorgeous pink and blue. That one's so pretty. And then she's got this other antique looking scalloped lace right here. How pretty. And then she's got all of them pinned together with a garment pin. I'm sorry, guys. And all the garment pins have a bead or 2 on there. Beautiful. Made with love. I just love that. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. And then in this bag, which she embossed this bag. How pretty. Very pretty. So inside this bag, she has got, oh, her 2 tiny embellishments. How pretty. Oh my gosh, I love the way she does that. Just love that. How pretty. Of course, I love seam binding. How pretty. Just love that. So we opened this little envelope, and she made a pocket out of this lace. And guys, look at her embellishments, her tiny embellishments. Oh my gosh, how pretty are these? Beautiful. Oh, she used the wood veneers as the base. And then she altered the front. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Wow, that's so pretty, and such a great idea with the lace to make the pocket. They are beautiful. Thank you, Deanna. I appreciate that more than you know. Thank you. So those were her tiny embellishments, and that was inside this pocket right here, this envelope. All right, so that was her tiny embellishments. And then we were to make either a tag or a note card. And again, she embossed the bag. I just love the way her bag looks. And then this is her note card, a sweet little note. She used, again, she embossed everything. Everything is embossed. She used some beautiful trim here on the side. Beautiful little flower on the top. She used some lace at the bottom of this ephemera piece right here, and this beautiful flag that says a sweet note. This is so pretty. And then there's the inside, and this is where we can write our message. Hopefully, no, she didn't stamp the back with her name or anything, but when I do send it off, I will make sure that people know I did not make this. This was made by someone else, and this would be her envelope to put the card into. Beautiful, beautiful presentation. Everything is gorgeous. I love it all. Deanna, thank you so much. I really do appreciate your swap. I really do. And then look, I'm left with all of this stuff. How cute. Beautiful, beautiful. Everything was gorgeous. Thank you so much, Deanna. It was a pleasure swapping with you, and it was a pleasure sharing this with everyone. All right, guys, y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.